Not a bad lick. First one down the track in the fire park. 590 index goes 9 over. Gonna be tough right there. It's gonna get tougher as the day goes, guarantee you that. First round of qualifying. Hot Shot Secret Pro Street. Hot Shot Secret Pro Street. I need you guys in lanes 5 and 6. Suncoast Pro Line. Suncoast Pro Line, you're on standby. Headed to the strap, 90 with a fourth, 4 thousandths off the index, 590 with a 117 miles an hour, already getting tough. Hey guys, when was the last time you came to a racetrack and the first 2 trucks in 590 go in the 90s? I'm talking about, if you're wondering what the track's like, it's awesome. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably 125-30 degree track temperature. I'll try to find out. But 2 trucks down, one a 90 flat with a 4, the other one a 99 with a 1. Just tells you how tough the race is going to be today and how great the track is with only 2 trucks going down so far. You'll notice the difference, 4-wheel drive trucks and 2-wheel drive trucks. We've only seen 4-wheel drives. Until this point, you look in the pro, you see Mindy Jackson. In the TNT Ford Lightning out of Floresville, Texas. Still a great job. On good lap to the half track, runs out the backside, 637 with a 2, 113 miles an hour. And here's the lady right here, Floresville, Texas, Mindy Jackson. She went to the finals in Ohio. Was the runner-up. Rolling the smoke off the tires right there. Mindy's going to get it stopped. She'll back it up. And we'll see what the little line will do. You women need to be cheered for. And right now, in the intro side of the racetrack, one of them from Floresville, Texas, Mindy Jackson. Now, this truck's won World Championship like 3 years in a row with her husband Dustin driving it. He stepped up to run a Radio versus the World car and turned the driving duties over to me. Reaction time. And 97 with a 0. 597 with a 0. We've had 4 trucks down the track, 3 of them in the 590 range in the fire park, 590 index, that's the name of the game. Hot Shot Secret Pro Street, Hot Shot Secret Pro Street. I need you to the lane, Suncoast Pro Mod, Suncoast Pro Mod, lanes 7 and 8, Suncoast Pro Mod, lanes 7 and 8, go ahead and bring them guys. Suncoast Pro Mod, lanes 7 and 8. Early goes 616 with a 115 miles an hour. Roll down through there, roll down early, maybe home a little something. Tell you what, these 590 index racers, not just 590, but index racers as a whole, they're qualifying. Sometimes they'll run them right to the stripe, and sometimes they know what they're running in high gear, so they just roll out of the gas and make you wonder. Now we're switching over to the BD Diesel Performance side of the racetrack. Just so you know, BD Diesel Performance, right lane sponsor, always has been, always will be. Angelo on board this year for the left lane. So when you hear me talking about the left lane sponsor, I'm talking about Angelo. When I'm talking about the right lane, I'm talking about BD Diesel Performance. Support the people that support the sport. How about that? 583 with a 116 miles an hour. A little smoke on the big end. I don't know what that's about. A little too quick. 83 with a 1. Not bad for a big, heavy four-wheel drive diesel truck. Lots of faster trucks coming. Hot Shot Secret Pro Street. You should be in lanes 5 and 6. Suncoast Pro Mod, lane 7 and 8, Suncoast Pro Mod, lane 7 and 8. Side of the racetrack, 90 with a 9, 116 miles an hour, goes 136 to the 60 foot. We got one more 590 car. We'll be rolling into Hot Shot Secret Pro Street. You should be in the lanes if you want to make it out. Hot Shot Secret Pro Street, lanes 5 and 6. Suncoast Pro Mod, Suncoast Pro Mod, lanes 7 and 8.
Rick, that's my last 590 in the water box, right? Got it.
Side of the racetrack. Smooth up, back row, let's go. Final track, and I'm on the 590. It's on the final little bit, pedals it at about 200 foot. Look at the blip coming by. I'm telling you, you come to Virginia, you get all the best treatment. I mean, there's NASCAR races, NHRA races that don't get blips. You come to the Holly Rock Customs Super Diesel Showdown, and I'm telling you something, they bring out the blips, they bring out the jet cars, they bring out everything. Virginia Motorsports Park pulling out all the stops. Gets the blip here, guys. I'm telling you, you are in for a weekend of racing as we roll into Pro Street, round number 1.
Do what? Huh?
So we're still getting tech cards in. As soon as we do, we'll have driver information and truck information and all that. It's first round of qualifying. Holly Rock Customs Super Diesel Showdown, Virginia Motorsports Park, guys. Tell you something. It is such a cool deal to be able to come here and run the Diesel Series. Just to be at a track like this, I mean, this is a national event track, smoothest track on the NHRA tour. You can only look at the 590 index. I can go back and look at the deal. We've only got one truck that's not in the 590 range. They went 613 and they rolled out of the gas at about 400 foot. So is awesome. Weather's good, track temperature's good. So we roll into Hot Shot Secret Pearl Street, so stepping it up now. Saw a bunch of cars going in the 590 range. We roll into Pearl Street, going a little quicker. We'll roll into Pearl Lot, going way quicker. And then we'll roll into Top Dragster, rolling out the backside in the low 4-second range. Always have, probably always will. How about 589 to the 9, 136 miles an hour. 589 to the 9 at 136. Always run singles in qualifying in the pro categories. Single cab Dodge vascular systems on board. This is a bad hot rod right here. Changed everything but the driver and the steering wheel. I'm talking about paint scheme, everything between the frame rails over the winter and the off season. Brought this thing out. Ran great a couple weeks ago in Ohio, and they're stepping it up here, I'm sure. Alrighty. Suncoast Pro Model, you need to be in the lanes. Suncoast Pro Model, you need to be in the lanes, and I need Flow Pro. Pro Dragster, Pro Dragster. See you in the lanes back there, you're already good. No problem. Dragster's in the lanes, Pro Mods are in the lanes. You're running around the fender midway. You need to be finding your way to the fence because we're about to turn up the wick, guys. We got Pro Mods coming. Get out of it. About 154. Still rolls through 775, 64 miles an hour. This thing was trying to roll though.
Is this my last question?
Alright, Johnny Gilbert, the 5-blade Mafia, stainless diesel on board. I said, happy birthday to Amy Gilbert out there. She's taking pictures, making sure we get all the exposure that we can get. If you're rolling through the pits or you see her up here, she's got a birthday sash on. Make sure you stop, tell her thank you for all she does for us. You guys wouldn't believe what stainless diesel, the 5-blade Mafia, and the Gilbert family do for this organization, as well as Amy just taking pictures, trying to get all of us teams, drivers, sponsors as much exposure as we can. If you look online and you see pictures of a diesel event, it probably says Amy Gilbert Photography in the bottom corner of it, I guarantee you. So thank you, Amy. Happy birthday. Thanks for all you do. Johnny Gilbert, one of the baddest Pro Street drivers there is. BD Diesel Performance side of the racetrack. This is a bad fast hot rod right here. Easy, clean pass from there on out. Struck the tire to begin it, rolls through 723 at 81 miles an hour. That's going to roll us into Suncoast Pro Mod. Suncoast Pro Mod. Looks like they're in the lanes. Pro Dragster, we're also in the lanes. Well, thanks Suncoast for all their help in this class, in this series. Remember, they're on the vendor midway. Make sure you support the